Hey everybody, and once again welcome back to our logical YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Mycelium wallet in your mobile phone, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First of all, you need to search for Mycelium in your App Store or Play Store. Now after that, you'll be able to see an app at top where it is distinguishable by its logo shown in the screen, and it's developed by MRD Exchange GmbH. And don't forget, you'll find the download option at right side. Just click on it and your download will begin automatically. So finally, once your download gets complete, click to open and you'll be able to access it. So basically, this is how you can download Mycelium in your smartphone, and if you still encounter any issue during the download process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on, so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.